Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video. What's today about? And this is December 10th, only 15 days from Christmas. Usually around this time you get some weakness, but I'm telling you, and we saw it today, no matter how bad markets look at the very end, they have a habit of popping, which they did. Unfortunately for us, we had a put fly. Basically, we still made 300% on our money. But the way that the ES rallied right after the close, we would have made 700%. But we still made money, and that's the key in here. So what do? What are we watching today? We're watching that the biggest stocks that have been up the most this year were the ones that got pounded the last 2 days. I'll show you what we're talking about. So this is an amazing statistic. This is from Bespoke Investment. Really respect them. These are Russell 1000 stocks that are up at least 100% year to date. So that was from yesterday. All 26 of them were down on an average of 5%, and they were down a little today. So just keep that in mind that the leaders were the ones that started going down. Now, you can take advantage of that. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, if your theory is that they're going to be the ones to go down, the Netflix of the world, you don't blindly short them. You wait for the break. See that break? That's where we shorted it, right here. Did I buy it down here? No, I bought it back here. Made my quick 2.5 points. But that was a beautiful trade. You got to wait for your pitch on these monster stocks. So how about Meta? Well, that's another one we did. I had this all diagrammed for everybody. But basically, we didn't short right here. Because on my art of short selling class I did, when you can draw a defined trend line, but it's over the ATR trailing stop, it's less likely to work. So look at the difference between this one that's over the ATR trailing stop and then this one that's under it. Yeah, well, guess what? Right here is where we shorted it. That was a good one. Where'd we buy it back? We bought it back at that 622 right in this zone. So that was a good 3 points worth. So we did some good trades in these high flyers. What's happening is that no matter how good they look on the opening, like RCL, they just fall apart. So what do I mean by fall apart? They just have these type of structures. And when you see that or this, I know it's already down from its high, but you got to go and pound it out. And that's what worked, and they went down fast. I continue to think that's going to work. Now, do I think that they're going to go straight down? No. I think you look for these type of breaks. So you're going to see this on an hourly, and Netflix is still a monster, don't get me wrong. But it looks to me like it's trying to develop that top. It had the sell-off, and now it's worked off. It's oversold by doing nothing. In fact, it's gone back to the zero line right here. So the MACD has gone back to the zero line. If you use stochastic, probably the same thing. To me, that means it's worked off its oversold condition poorly. So it could have another big sell-off. Now, the only problem with Netflix is the round number. A lot of times things have to go to the like 1,000 before it can go down. Just like this had to go to 900 where they like reach for it back here before it could go down. Now you got to worry about the 1,000. Now maybe that's overanalyzing. But with this type of pattern, I don't mind the idea of looking for intraday bearish patterns to trade. And that's what we're going to do the next couple of days. Now we have another thing, and that's a Doji scan. It's a proprietary scan that I can't share. But what popped out are all these stocks. Those are daily dojis that look back 5 days. So you go, Apple's had some dojis, but at the moment it's followed through to the upside. But then you take Netflix, there's your doji. You take Ulta, there's a doji. And a lot of times it's the follow through that matters. And as you see in here, it's worked. So we're going to continue to look for indecision candles followed by a down candle. And that's what we're going to do for weeks. So take care. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.